great to relax inside with the air conditioning on at full blast during Mississippi's hottest months. But it turns out air conditioning can also be a culprit for spreading COVID-19. It's very easy for things like fungus, bacteria, and viruses to get caught in central air vents. General Manager Isaac Parker at Dent Air Conditioning in Madison says that there is a device you can purchase to prevent the spread.
The only way to properly eliminate that is through an ultraviolet light. We install the light in your system and we have to wire it into the furnace itself. So whenever the blower comes on and you hear the air circulating, then that light cuts on, and as soon as any kind of virus, bacteria, all these unseen contaminants hit it, then it kills it immediately.
Parker says that changing your air conditioner's filter 3 times per year also helps keep the air clean.